back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, If this is your first time visiting my channel, I call all my subscribers my cousins because my country little self is from the South, and in the South, everybody got a cousin. So we're going to be having some fun, and we're going to be recreating looks and basically we are going to be recreating some of my favorite 90s, early 2000 looks as if they were natural. So I've seen the whole recreate a celebrity's look done a few different ways here on YouTube and Instagram, creating different, you know, celebrity looks either with wigs or with makeup. And you know, I always have to represent for my natural hair girls, you know, so of course I want to put a natural hair swing on it. And I feel like the 90s was all about the natural beauty, like the natural, nice natural, you know, beauty enhancing type of makeup. But one thing that you tend to notice is that while the 90s was really good about embracing natural beauty when it came to your makeup, in the 90s it typically was all about like the straight sleek hair or the braided styles. So you know, I think it would be nice, like how dope would it have been if the 90s just like celebrated all of that. Like, so if you think you're gonna like something like this, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Let me know that you like this down in the comment sections, and let's get to the first look. So I do tend to follow a lot of like 90s, early 2000 related Instagrams, and I'm sure that I found this on some Instagram page, but I'm not exactly sure what. So if I run back across the actual 90s Instagram page, of course I will, you know, put it somewhere in the video or in the description box. I saw this picture of Lisa Left Eye Lopes, and I thought it was just not only just a really cute hair look, like something that I could very easily recreate without a lot of stress and time, child, because you know I'm all about the simplicity, but also it looks like a very simple little makeup look. And like I said, I'm not a makeup girl, so whatever look I was going to do with the hair, I think I can do my best to recreate the makeup look as well. And then green is my favorite color, so I feel like it just stood out to me. So this is what we're going to be recreating today. So I'm going to start by pre-sectioning all the different sections I'm going to need for the style. And if you guys are wondering how my hair was stretched, this is the same hair from attempting that wet wrap. So I'm just about 3 days later on that style. So if you guys haven't seen that video and you want some good wrap tips and definitely a good laugh, just check out that video after this one. Now I'm just going to begin moisturizing and working my hair into the ponytails. All the products I used will be in the description box for this part, but basically I'm going to add just a little water, moisturizer, and seal all that in with my favorite Ayurvedic oil, and then apply the gel to slick it down. And this is just me adding unnecessary audio to this video because I don't want YouTube to copyright ding me. The struggle is real, guys. But enjoy this left eye verse. So if you can't spatially expand my horizons, that leaves you in a class with scrubs, never rising. I don't find it surprising if you don't have the G's to please me to bounce from here to coast overseas. So let me give you something to think about. Inundate your mind with intentions to turn you wild. Can't forget to focus on the picture in front of me, as clear as a DVD on digital TV screen. Satisfy my appetite with something spectacular. Check your vernacular, and then I get back to you with diamond-like precision, insatiable in what I envision. Can't detect equity. Mr. Big Willie, if you really want to know, ask Chili. Could I be a silly hoe? Not really T-bars, and now my señoritas stepping on your felines, but you don't hear me though. I'm going to do this on both sides, and child, this quarantine needs to end ASAP because I need to get back in the gym. My arms was tired. Now I'm just going to define my curls. This part is not super important because most of your hair is going to be covered in the wraps, but since my hair was stretched, I'm just going to do a quick twist and curl to make sure the ends look really curly and luscious for the part that's left out. If you're working on old hair, like an old wash and go or a twist out, you can just skip this step. I'm using the same product combo I use to sleek to define my curls.
Incredible music from your streets.
Now moving on to makeup. My favorite part of the 90s was the fact that their makeup looks were so simple. So all I had to do with this makeup look was, of course, do my foundation base, and then I'm just taking 2 colors from my Revolution Beauty palette and warming my crease and under my brow with the dark brown shade, and then patting the silver on my lid. For my lips, I just did my recent everyday look, which is very 90s anyway, a dark liner and the Mented Cosmetics Pretty in Pink. After about 2 hours, my twists still weren't 100% dry. Low porosity hair problems, child. But again, that's okay. You just want a nice curl pattern going on at the ends. For my wraps, I just cut up an old t-shirt in about 12-inch strips, and I'm just going to cross wrap them down the length of my ponytails. You may have to play with this a little bit. And the end results look something like this. Okay guys, this is the cute and simple final look. So obviously my hair is longer than Lisa's was when she took that picture. She kept her hair kind of short. So my ponytails more or less hang versus kind of like stick out like hers does, which, you know, it's still the look, but I feel like it's sticking out is kind of, you know, the goal. I tried to make it a little bit tighter, like make the t-shirt or make the like straps a little tighter, so maybe it would have a little tension and sit out. And I mean, because my hair is long, it's just heavy, so it's gonna hang down. But I think this is cute, you know. I think if she was natural, it probably would have had a little spin like this. I do have 2 little black clips in the front, just, you know, to add my little twist on it. And then of course I unraveled the twist on the side and did a little side bang. So let me know what you think down in the comments of my natural hair recreation. And you know, if you follow me on Instagram or other social media platforms, tag me in looks that you think would look really cute with a natural hair twist. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And of course, if this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to subscribe and join the family, become a cousin. I love all you guys so much, and I will see all you guys in the next upload.